Good morning. There he is. Guess what?
Hmm.
Today's haircut day.
No,
Why?
because I got a haircut years ago.
Yeah, exactly. Years ago. Why don't you want to get a haircut today?
Because I want to.
Today is gonna be the day for your haircut.
No, it isn't.
YouTube, what up? It's your boy Herm the Barber. I'm back with another YouTube video. This one's gonna be a little bit different just because I'm gonna try to do a little voiceover and explain to you guys a little bit of how I do. Bear with me, it's my first one, so hopefully you guys like it. Hit the thumbs up and hopefully I'll get some more videos coming your way. I'm gonna try not to be talking so much just so you guys could kind of get more of a visual learn, because I feel like a lot of the times if you're not there in person and comparing it to a video, you really don't get the same type of feel. So I feel like when you're watching these type of videos, you get more of a visual learning, obviously. So hopefully you guys are able to visualize and learn and see my tips and see what I'm able to provide for you guys. Start off with the lever open, going about midway, and I'm dropping it in the bag just because I don't want to give them too much of a high fade. So I'm dipping it in the bag just so you guys can see. It's gonna be more like a shadow fade more than anything. It's gonna be tough. I'm trying to work as fast as I can just because my son's patience level is like out the roof. He really doesn't like getting haircuts too often, as you would think he would want to get a haircut often just because his dad's a barber, but it's the opposite, as you guys can tell.
Scandy. 25. Instinct.
This is all behind the scenes of what it takes. I got my daughter here. She wants to be a part of this video, so say hi.
Hi.
Okay, I gotta get back to the video, so keep going. these videos are honestly not as easy as I thought they were gonna be, so you guys gotta bear with me. It's just because I got my kids and my son in the background, my wife doing her thing, so bear with me. Honestly, this video is based off of, you know, more of a visual learning. I try to keep my best on, you know, trying to get the video quality as best as I can, but since it is my first video, you know, I'm working on getting it better for you guys, and hopefully you guys are able to enjoy this.
Instinct.
Like the fade was just a little simple, so at the end, you know, I had to add a little twist to it. It's really nothing too crazy. It's just something simple where I just went in on it on just being free and not really having too much of an actual designated design that I was going for. But I mean, at the end of the day, this is what came out, so hopefully my son will be able to rock it. The end of the video, you know, I had to finish them off with a little bit of product on the top. I just added a little bit of pomade. Now I'm just basically just combing it out, you know, just trying to give them something that I can use for the pictures. But as you guys can see, this haircut was just something, you know, that I had to come up with fast, and I wanted to record it for you guys, so I was able to, you know, finally get my son to give in. And here's what's came out. I appreciate you guys all for watching. Like I said before, please comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll be able to drop more videos more often.